All right, you guys, for CloudToken, this is Antonio Devo. I'm going to go through an example of exactly how you can actually go from start to finish of installing the application for the CloudToken onto your iOS device, your Apple phone, start to finish. So first and foremost, of course, we need to go to the website, okay, which would be CloudToken wallet, okay? And make sure you spell that all the way out, you guys. Be very careful that there are a lot of phishing sites out. So CloudTokenwallet. Double check that a couple times. Make sure you do that because the site may look exactly the same but not be the original site. And also make sure you highlight it and look and make sure that the small s is there where it says HTTPS. Make sure that whole thing is actually there in the address, and you can just click cancel. And now we're on the screen, you guys, and as you can see here, this shows the whole mobile site. It's just a beautiful GUI interface that they did. Being a computer scientist myself, I really can appreciate quality work, and these guys have done an excellent job. Also, make sure you guys, this is very, very important because a lot of people don't do their homework when they get involved in any venture. Go here and click on the business proposal and look over the concepts, ideas, and the infrastructure idea behind the algorithm that is being used, behind the trading methodology, and also behind how the structural components are for the actual application itself. And also there are PowerPoint slides here to do presentations with tutorial information also as well. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We're going to click the iOS device. I'm going to come up on the screen, you guys, and I'm going to enlarge this a little bit so you can see. Here where it says underneath download, you see it's going to say download iOS application. We need to click that. It's going to ask you for permission to install. You say okay or install. Okay. As you see now on the screen, you see it's installing right there. Okay, we're going to click that. And what's going to happen is you see this is not a trusted application right now. So that's okay. So we click cancel. Go back to the main screen. Go to settings. Go to general, go to device management. You're going to see where it says UFC Technologies. Click that. And then you're going to click the blue highlighted portion where it says Trust UFC Technologies PTE Limited. It's going to ask you, do you trust the iPhone distributed UFC Technologies PTE Limited apps on this iPhone? Trusting this will allow any app from this enterprise developer to be used on your iPhone and may allow access to your data. So you just click trust that for the device. And then we can exit out of this, go back to the actual application, go back to CloudToken's logo and click on it, okay? And now you have successfully installed the actual software, okay? And so from here, I wonder should we actually cut this video into two and just do just that part, but perhaps we should do that. But you know what? Let's go ahead and continue. Now, if we're going to install a new account, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that I'm probably going to ask them to highlight this a little bit more because down here you see it says create account. Probably should make that in black. There's also where it says retrieve password, but right above that it says create account. If you can see that right below card login, we're going to click that to open a new account. It's asking for a referral code, okay? And so I'm going to use my own referral code because why not? And if any of you guys who are finding this on YouTube or Vimeo or any other place anywhere in the world, feel free to use my affiliate code if you don't have one, if you just were doing some research and find out about this company. So I'm going to go to 0175 459 706. I think that's right. Okay. I'm going to click there. We're going to click next. All right. And this is what's sort of tricky, you guys. Okay. We're going to get this sort of covered properly. It's going to ask us to set up a login PIN. And I don't remember whether this was the 8-digit PIN or the 6-digit PIN, but let's just see. Okay. So let's try picking a PIN right now. And I'm just going to, for example, one of them, the 8-digit PIN is really a password because you have to have numbers and letters, capital and lowercase letters both. So I think here, this has to be a minimum of 8 characters. So I'm just going to, just for an example, I'm just going to do just all E's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll just do a capital E and capital E and a 4. Why not? Capital E and a 4. Capital E and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we did 8 lowercase e's, uppercase E, and the number 4. Let's see if it takes that. It did. Okay, and now our secondary password, you guys, this is very important. This is your payment pin. All right, and we need to pick a 6-digit number. So just for sake of this example, we're just gonna do something simple and just say 111-444. Okay. And then we're just gonna hit create, you guys. And what we're gonna get now, we should come up on something called a mnemonic seed, which is a phrase, and there it is. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna, you shouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I would recommend you guys do. I'm going to, what I did was I actually just screenshot it, but I would recommend you write this down. Do not leave this on your phone. So what we have to do is you have to copy this phrase down, okay? And for the sake of time, what I'm going to do is, instead of me writing it, I'm going to take a picture of it with my other phone. And then we're going to implement putting it back on, okay? All right, so here we go, you guys. So now we're going to do is we're going to click next, because we're going to have to put these words back in order. Very important not to lose this mnemonic phrase, you guys, because you have to have a backup of your wallet or anything dealing with your account. You're going to need to have this phrase, so do not take that lightly. Write that down and record it. Now you see here, you come up on the screen, what's going to ask you to put these words back in a particular order, right? So we're going to go cricket cover mixture holiday cart couple night. Okay, property gentle. No, I don't have this memorized. I'm just looking at it. I know I'm doing that. Okay, then soccer, and then hello. Okay, and once we finish putting the phrase back the way the words, confirming it, we're going to click done. All right, now you see that login ID that's there, you guys? I recommend you save that. Write that down if you get it. I'm going to just take a screenshot of it just for the sake of time. Okay, and just click login. Hey, okay, and then you would be admitted in, but let me see something here. Hold on. All right, hold on, you guys. Now, I screenshotted this. And looks like I'm gonna have to write it down, because guess what? 428 1000 845 453 895, right? Let's confirm 428 1000 845 453 895, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is let's go back to the application, open it back up, and let's type that number in there. Okay, let's do it. Let's put in 4281. I just figured I would make this video because I think if you can do this on the phone for people, a lot of people don't know how to do this type of use this type of technology where they can record for different phone devices. That'll make it a lot easier for you guys. Okay. 453 895. Passcode. Okay, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then capital E and the number 4. Okay, and then hit login. And we are in, you guys. We are in, okay? And so that's how you actually access and set up your account for entering into the platform. Now, what do you do once you're inside the platform? Let me just go ahead and go through this process. If you're loading BTC to load your wallet, this is how you do it, okay, to get your account initiated, okay? Go here to where it says BTC, right below. Just scroll up on the super wallet, okay? Click BTC. And you see there's a deposit button right there. All you need to do is click that deposit button, and there you go. You can either copy your hash or you can just scan directly there. Give it a little time, and your deposit will show up here in that same spot right there. And when you're ready to transfer it into Jarvis, you go up here and you hit projects right here, this little circle above the wallet manager right there. Let's do that again. Right here. I wish there was a cursor or something I could put on here, but right there it says projects, a little circle below project manager, okay, right above where it says CTO and the zeros, hit project. Jarvis will come up. You will click Jarvis. You will agree to the terms and conditions, hit participate. And again, you will select Bitcoin because that's where you will see your Bitcoin balance at. You will select that. Then you will click the maximum button if you want to put the maximum in there and click proceed. And after that, you should automatically show up and go into trade, okay, inside of Jarvis. And to do the withdrawal, you should do the exact same process, but of course, you should see a withdrawal button there, okay? Listen, Supreme Team, this has been awesome with you guys. Hopefully the entire CloudToken family can benefit from this. I'm trying to make as many of these videos as I can to sort of simplify and make this thing rock and roll for you guys. Hopefully, everybody's able to use this platform. It seems to be done very professionally. It seems to be done in the right manner. You have multiple currencies that you can load in. Ethereum, USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Tether. You have all those options here that you can utilize. Give the application some time to be able to load. Always check your updates up here as well. You see this banner that's running up here at the top talking about phishing sites, telling you about updates and things of that nature as well. Make sure you pay attention to that every single day. And also on your menu, go in and study your menu. Check on everything that's in there, the different ways you can access information, order history, getting back into projects again, checking your organization as well for people that you were referred. If you click on levels, it shows you the performance, which you actually have that may be in trade, and also your partners. You can look at your organization and things as well here, and it will show you what you actually have loaded in, and you can actually check all that information as well. I hope this has been helpful, you guys. I would really, really like to see everybody make it big. I don't want to see you at the top. I want to see you over the top, okay? Look forward to it. Talk to you soon. Bye.